With the day's trading account, over to Vivek for that.
Well, thank you so much for that. A very volatile trading session, but like you mentioned, the breadth very, very strong towards the end of the trading session. List of movers today much stronger compared to what it has been over the last few weeks. First, like you mentioned, the banking pack. Today, they made a very strong comeback, especially some of the beaten down names. AU Small Finance Bank. Remember, this particular stock has seen significant selling pressure, but today ended as the top gainer as far as the bank pack was concerned. And along with that, even a whole host of other large cap banks too, all of them saw gains and ended with gains of over 1%. One stock from the broader end of the market that did very well in the NBFC pack was Manappuram Finance. The stock ended higher on very strong volumes, over 6.5%. It's been a very volatile trading week as far as Manappuram is concerned, but today it was on the right side of the move, over 6.5% higher. Like you mentioned, railway stocks, different stocks today staged a very sharp comeback. Look at RVNL, Railtel, all of the railway stocks did very well, and some of the defense shipbuilder names too did very well, over 10% higher for both Garden Reach as well as Mazagon Dock. One stock from the broad end of the markets was Nava. There was a buyback announcement. The stock ended higher by over 11.5%. And one stock from the pharma pack that actually outperformed significantly was actually Suven Pharma. Ended higher by over 5%. Remember, today you saw a very long report from Macquarie Capital, initiated coverage on 4 names, the top pick being Suven Pharma, ended higher by over 5%. But on the other hand, the entire pharma pack, especially all of the generic names today, took it on the chin. Sharp recovery from the intraday lows, but still ended the day lower. All of the generic names, the Aurobindo, Zydus, Natco, all of them ended lower on the back of worries of tariffs coming in. IT stocks, that was the other pocket of the market, so the defensive didn't do very well today. TCS, Infosys amongst the top drags today. LTI, Mindtree, TechM, some weak commentary coming in from Capgemini yesterday is something that actually spooked the IT stocks today. And one stock from the broader end of the markets, top laggard on the NSE 500 was Credit Access Grameen. In fact, saw selling pressure actually accelerate in the last half hour or so of the session today.
All right, Vivek, thank you very much for that. I mean, Credit Access, I'm not sure. There was no real news flow per se, but the stock was down 7% on very large volumes. But that's a good summary of what went and what moved today. Let's